What if you could trade Apple, Tesla, gold, and crypto all from one account with no bank and no full ID check? That is exactly what this platform lets you do. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to sign up, fund it, and place your first trade step by step, even if you have never traded before. Bitbase is one account that does three things: spot crypto, futures with leverage, and here is the part almost no exchange has: TradFi. That means real markets, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, gold, silver, crude oil, even the Nasdaq, all traded with your crypto. In their own words, one-stop access to borderless trading. There is no mandatory ID check to start. The minimum is just $10, and it is available in over 150 countries. Your funds sit in cold storage with multi-signature security. First, sign up. Use the link in the description. It takes you straight to the sign up page and unlocks the deposit bonus. Enter your email, set a password, and you are in. There is no lengthy verification before you can start, though you can add it later for higher limits. Next, fund your account. Two easy ways. One, buy crypto directly with a card, Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, and it lands in your account in minutes. Two, if you already hold crypto on Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance, just send it over. Go to deposit, pick the coin, for example USDT, copy your Bitbase deposit address, choose the matching network, and withdraw to it from your other exchange. Always double check the network matches on both sides. That is the one mistake beginners make. Now, a trade. Spot is simple. You buy the asset and you own it. Futures is where leverage comes in. So let me explain it clearly, because this is where people get hurt. Leverage multiplies your position. 10 times leverage means a 1% move becomes 10% up or down. It cuts both ways, and if the market moves against you far enough, your position gets liquidated and you lose that margin. So keep it low when you are learning. 5 to 10 times is plenty. I always use isolated margin, so only the money on that one trade is at risk. Pick your market, choose long if you think it goes up or short if you think it goes down. Set your size, and here is the non-negotiable part. Always set a stop loss and a take profit, so a bad trade closes itself before it wipes you out. Never risk more than a small slice of your account on any single trade. Leverage is a tool, not a lottery ticket. Here is the part I promised, and it is what makes Bitbase different. Open TradFi and you can trade Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, gold, silver, crude oil, and the Nasdaq, all with the crypto already in your account. Same screen, same leverage tools, same stop losses. You are getting price exposure to these markets settled in crypto, so you are not opening a separate brokerage or going through a stockbroker's paperwork. If you think gold runs or tech pulls back, you can act on it in seconds right next to your Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is the crossover. Your crypto becomes your key to the whole market. Before any trade, do your analysis. Do not just guess. The basics are support, the floor buyers defend, resistance, the ceiling sellers defend, and the trend. If that sounds like a lot, this is exactly what I built CoinGPT for. Its scanner reads the signals across every time frame, and the Strategy Hub hands you a setup with the key levels and a plan. So as a beginner, you are not trading blind. The link for that is below too. So that is the whole loop. Sign up, fund it, do your analysis, and place a trade with a stop loss. Bitbase is one of the few places you can trade crypto, stocks, and gold side by side. No bank needed. The link and the deposit bonus are in the description. Trading with leverage is high risk, and this is not financial advice, so start small. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.